Hello everyone. So in this video, we'll go through one of the dynamic programming problems. The problem name is nth Tribonacci series. So nth Tribonacci number. So I will be actually posting around 12 to 13 dynamic programming problems. So stay tuned on this whole week. I will be posting a lot of dynamic programming problems. So try to solve all the problems as they release out. So let's go and start with the first problem, that is the nth Tribonacci number. That is, if you know what's a Fibonacci number, then you just have to easily understand what is Tribonacci number. In Fibonacci number, we add the previous two numbers to get the current number. In Tribonacci number, we add the previous three numbers and so on. So how to get the nth Tribonacci number? Now the simplest approach, one of the approach can be to use recursion, but recursion will get timeout for this constraint, which is like n equal to 37. So, but as we can see here is that for finding out, let's go to the whiteboard. For finding out the nth Tribonacci number, let's say that I want Tn of 3 or maybe Tn of 4. Then for getting 4, I should require Tn of 3 and Tn of 2, cool, and Tn of 1. Because we have to add all of these values. And then for getting Tn of 3, I will again call Tn of 2 plus Tn of 1 and Tn of 0. And now I know the values of all of these terms, so that I can directly get the value of f on, like Tn of and 4. Cool. So instead of that, what we can do here is we can use that some of the values are actually calculating again, that we are actually calling this Tn twice here and here. So we can use the db technique so that we do not have to use the same value again and again. So now what we'll do here is that we will store every state in a db table. So because the value is up to 37, let's make a db table till 40. And what we'll do, we'll initialize some value. dp of 0 is equal to 0, and dp of 1 is equal to 1, and dp of 2 is equal to 1 as well. And for all the other values, what we can do here is that, let's remove this out. For finding out any other dp of I is equal to dp of I minus 1 plus dp of I minus 2 plus dp of I minus 3. Because for getting the ith value, we have to add the previous three values. So these are states. The ith term in this dp, the ith term, define the nth, or actually the ith Tribonacci number. And we will store the first three values, because these are like the base case or the break case in the recursive function, because we know the values for this. And for all the rest values, we can use and add the previous three values. Cool. So that's the technique for finding out the nth Tribonacci number. Let's go to the code part now, that we will first make a dp table of value 40, then initialize the first three values, and from 3 till n, I will do a for loop. And in that for loop, for getting the ith dp value, what we'll do, we will add the previous value, the previous to the previous value, and the third previous value. And then in the end, we have to return the maybe like 10th Tribonacci number or 11th Tribonacci number. So what is the n here? We have to print the dp of that n, because I have already told you that dp of I stores the nth Tribonacci number. And if you want the nth Tribonacci number, we just like have to find out the answer into the dp table, and that's the answer. Let us go to the next video and understand more db problems. So I hope you understand the logic and the code part for this problem. If you still have any doubts, you can mention down. I'll see you next one. Till then, keep coding and bye.